Hello, dear Marian. Thank you so very, very much for willing to give us a beautiful review of your Invisalign clear align therapy treatment, how it has impacted your, well, tablets taking and other things you've mentioned. Please take it away. I am so happy.
I was very reticent to have clear therapy on my teeth. However, I worked for Kalina and I found that my swallowing was really not good. I couldn't take my tablets without breaking them in half, and I do have to take quite a few tablets. My breathing was not good. I was panting when I was walking, and so I had the Invisalign treatment, which widened my airways. We're now 5 years on, and my airways are absolutely fantastic. I can swallow my tablets, not just one at a time, but 3 at a time. My breathing is better and my walking is better because of it, because I don't pant when I walk. I will just say that I am disabled because I broke my back, so walking is very stressful. But having had the Invisalign treatment and the widening of my airways, I find this so much easier now.
It's amazing. Marian was very keen to also give a review for a patient her age. And I thought, my goodness, I'm so grateful. And I'm sorry I never asked before. I do apologize. Marian, sweetie, can you tell us how long did you have the treatment? You know, how did it really
The treatment was 2 years. We looked to stop it after a year because, of course, my teeth weren't terribly misshapen, but however the bite wasn't right, and then we did it for another year and everything became perfect. And the teeth were well aligned, the bite is really good, my tongue is now on the roof of my mouth, and also at night time I don't snore, and I breathe through my nose for the whole night, which is amazing.
Thank you so very much. Let the word spread, and I do hope, honestly, all the practices that use any clear align therapy will bring it simultaneously with a beautiful smile to their patient. Just really allow the jaw to have room to move forward a little bit. Let the teeth meet happily in a little bit more forward position with muscular acceptance, and we hopefully will bring it all in a new book.
Yes, absolutely. And also I think this is for older people as well. As I said, I'm 71, I'm now 76, and I actually believe that it's something for older people, not just younger people as well.
Thank you so much. God bless you.